I am going to talk to you about the skeletal system. The skeleton has 5 main functions. Support. If we didn't have a skeleton, we would be floppy like jelly. Protection is the second function, so it protects the major organs of the body, such as the cranium protects the brain, the ribs protect the heart, the liver and the lungs, and the vertebrae protects the spinal cords, and also the important nerves. The third is movement. Muscles are attached to the bones. When the muscles contract, it allows the bones to move. The fourth and fifth function stores, produces and blood cells. The red marrow makes red blood cells. The yellow marrow makes chemical energy, which is mostly fat. In bone tissue it stores important minerals, such as calcium. The skeletal system. The skeleton is divided into the axial skeleton, which is the central core of the body. It consists of the skull, the vertebrae, the sternum and the ribs. It provides the axis for the limbs to hang off, which is the appendicular skeleton, which is all the bones that hang off the axial skeleton. It consists of the shoulder girdle, the scapula and the clavicle, the pelvic girdle, and arms and legs, and leg bones. The side just shows a labelled skeleton. There are several different types of bone. The long bone, they are cylindrical shape, used for movement to act as a lever. The femur is long bone, which is the bone here. All long bones consist of the humerus and the tibia. Short bone, which are small and compact, cube shaped. These are found in your hands and feet. They help with strength and weight. This is the hand and this is the foot. The flat bones. These bones are thin, curved and flat. They have 3 layers of compact bone. This is the sternum, the pelvis and the cranium. They protect the vital organs in the body, such as the brain. There are also irregular bones. These are unique bones and all individual in size and shape. They also have a variety of functions. The vertebrae is an example of the bone and facial bone. The last one is the sesamoid. These are very tiny bones in a joint. Their aim is to assist in joint movement and resist friction and compression. Which then leads me to the joints. There are 3 different types of joints: fixed, slightly movable and movable, also known as swivel joints. The picture shows the different types of joints we have. They are not all the same, they are working in different ways. A joint is where 2 or more bones meet. The ball and socket joints are found in the shoulder, which is the scapula and the humerus. The hip, pelvis and the femur, they allow movement in most directions. The pivot joint is found in the neck between the top 2 vertebrae, moving our head side to side, used as the pivot joint. The hinge joint is found in the elbows joining the ulna and the humerus. Also, the knee is a huge hinge joint joining the femur and the tibia. Hinge joints only move in one direction. The candiloid joint is found in the wrist. It can bend, straighten and move side to side. The joints in the metacarpals and the phalanges are also candiloid joints. The saddle joint is only in the thumb. It can move back and forwards, side to side and across. This helps us hold things in our hands. The gilding joints, these are in the carpal bones of the hand. They are between the surface of 2 flat bones. They only have limited movement. Muscles. Muscles have to work with the skeleton to produce movement. It also has to work with the nervous system, which wants to produce nerve impulse to imitate movement. There are 3 types of muscle tissue: smooth, cardiac, and skeletal. Smooth muscles are found in our large and small intestine and circulatory system, and our urinary system. These muscles have an automatic response, not one we can control. Cardiac muscles. The heart. The cardiac muscle, like the smooth muscle, is one we cannot control. It pumps blood around the body, pulsating, contracting around 60-80 times a minute. A skeletal muscle is the muscles that are attached to the skeleton across the joints. We can control these muscles that produce movement. This muscle is in rows of fibers. These are over 640 skeletal muscles. These muscles also allow us to move more smoothly. They also weigh more than fat. They weigh more than fat. They make up 40% of our body weight. These muscles are found in pairs. For example, one muscle would pull up to the leg, and another one pushes down to the quadriceps and glutes. The main muscles in the arms are the biceps, deltoids, and pectorals, which are in the chest. That's it.